One of the biggest lessons that we've learned, certainly through Grdc funded research, is that it's very important to keep the ascochyta out from the beginning rather than try to control it once it's in the crop. It's very difficult and a lot more costly to stay on top of ascochyta once it's established in a crop. So we've been quite diligent about spraying from very early on in the crop before there was any disease present, and through that we've managed to keep a clean crop to this point. This paddock here was a very high yielding crop of sorghum. This paddock averaged 7.5 tonnes to the hectare. It was a bit tricky to get the chickpeas back into this, into the heavy stubble load, but by widening our row configuration and just putting one chickpea row down the middle of every sorghum row, we've got a reasonable crop established. With the wet year that we've had this year, there's been quite a lot of ascochyta pressure in the district, so to this date this crop has had 3 applications of fungicide, and it will definitely have at least one more, perhaps 2, depending on the pressure at the end of the season. We have been increasing our cropping frequency as we've got more and more into no-till and controlled traffic, where we're now basically cropping 100% of the time. Every year we have a crop, and a typical rotation might be sorghum, double crop with chickpeas, followed by wheat, followed by canola, and then back to sorghum. By increasing our cropping frequency like this, we have basically doubled our annual tonnage, our annual crop production, without significantly increasing our cropping area, just through cropping frequency and yields.